大家好 Hello everyone, I'm Cindy. Welcome to my channel. We continue to learn 成语 Chinese four characters idioms. Short in form but rich in story and wisdom. The first one is 一帆风顺. 一帆风顺. This idiom is calm and positive, just like its meaning. 一帆 means one sail. 风顺 means the wind is favorable. So literally, it means a single sail moving smoothly with the wind. Picture a peaceful boat trip. The wind behind you, the sea calm, everything going well. In real life, we use 一帆风顺 to wish someone a smooth and successful journey. Whether it's studying a new job, taking an exam, or moving a new place, it means may everything go smoothly or no obstacles ahead. In English, similar phrases are smooth sailing or may everything go well. This idiom is very commonly used in well wishes. In Chinese culture, we say 一帆风顺 at weddings, graduations, and farewell parties. It carries warm, positive hopes for someone's future. Remember, do not use 一帆风顺 to describe your past success. It's mainly for wish somebody good luck in the future. Let me show you examples. The first example. 祝你旅途一帆风顺。祝你旅途一帆风顺。From the picture, you can see wish you a smooth journey. Example number 2. Encourage someone. 希望你新工作一帆风顺。希望你新工作一帆风顺。Hope everything goes smoothly in your new job. Okay, so let's wrap up this idiom. We use 一帆风顺 to wish someone well with success, luck, and no obstacles. Do not use it to describe past actions. It's a gentle, kind way to send good vibes to someone you care about. I hope you study Chinese 一帆风顺. Okay, so let's move to next one idiom. 一鸣惊人. Have you ever seen someone stay quiet for a long time and then suddenly, whoa, they blow everyone away with their talent? That's exactly what this idiom is about. 一鸣惊人. Let's look at the characters. 一 means one. 鸣 means chirp or cry, like a bird singing. 惊人 means to shock people. So literally, it means one chirp that shocks everyone. Imagine a bird that's been silent forever and suddenly sings so beautiful that people stand. We use 一鸣惊人 to describe someone who seems quiet or ordinary, but suddenly does something amazing that surprises everyone. It's like hidden talent or breakthrough performance. Some similar expression in English may like to come out of nowhere, a dark horse rise, a breakout moment. This idiom comes from a story about the king Chu. He had a bird that didn't chirp for years. People mocked it, but one day the bird suddenly flew high and sung loudly. And everyone was shocked. That became a symbol of hidden power. For Ben and Sandy, I will show you examples. Example number 1. 他平时很安静，这次演讲却一鸣惊人。他平时很安静，这次演讲却一鸣惊人。He usually quiet, but his speech this time was total shock. Example number 2. 他第一次参加比赛就得了第1名，真是一鸣惊人。他第一次参加比赛就得了第1名，真是一鸣惊人。He entered the contest for the first time and won. Example number 3. 这位新导演拍了第1部电影，一鸣惊人。这位新导演拍了第1部电影，一鸣惊人。This new director made his first film and suddenly became famous. The idioms is not means your speaker loudly, should be impressive. So let me wrap up the meaning of the idiom. Do not use it just for being loud. It must be about the talent, breakthroughs, or unexpected excellence. We use 一鸣惊人 to describe someone who surprises people with hidden skills or great success. Keep going with your Chinese learning. One day, maybe you also 一鸣惊人 in Chinese. Okay, that's all for this video. Next episode, we will continue explore more number idioms. At the end of this video, I will include stroke order practice sheet for these 2 idioms. 一帆风顺, 一鸣惊人. You can use them to practice writing the Chinese characters. If you'd like to learn more idioms with numbers, please leave a comment below or send me an email. If you enjoy learning with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm your teacher Cindy. See you next time. 再见。